Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest colorful and beautiful ideas, hairs, styles, and different latest colorful hairs can be a fun and different addition to your wardrobe. Wardrobe, you can create colorful hair using beautiful variety, crochet stitches and crochet touch and combination. Here are some ideas. Hats rainbow slash hats like crochet hat in a color of the rainbow for a joyful and beautiful inspired look. And different styling. Flower applique hats, crochet colorful flower and attach them to a solid colored hat for a playful and beautiful and latest colorful touch. So I hope you like it, guys. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. And holiday hats make our hats in plastic holiday colors for special and stylish, like different styles and different looks. Halloween and Easter's different when making colorful crochet hats, and consider the performance and the intent style. Wear is playful, elegant, and casual. Have fun, experiment with the beautiful bright color combination to create eye-catching and unique hats. Hey guys,